Next spear.
Namaste. And it's watching the shop side.
A very good morning from Bali. We are in Ubud right now and here for an ATV ride. We were looking for one that's absolutely crazy, and Ubud is the place for that because it has that mountainous terrain throughout. We are at Dadi Bali Adventures. There's a Lord Ganesha statue right over here and it cost us 1.6 million in Indonesian, which is a good deal for an ATV ride for a couple of hours. The ATV ride is going to go for I think 1 hour 45 minutes with a lunch, complimentary buffet lunch to be followed. They have showers, they have lockers, they have pretty much everything. So you just have to reach here and negotiate well because the quoted price was I think 2 million. And we could have taken it further down, but why? It's a very small amount of money. But really looking forward to it. Going to ride behind Yash, my designated driver for life, because I can't trust my life with anyone else other than Yash. By the way, this t-shirt is not sleeveless. My friends tore the sleeves. Yeah. Officially coming into becoming a construction worker, which was my destiny as a Bihari. Let's go! He bought these from Tilak for 80 rupees. We're going into a cave. Woohoo! It's completely dark. Woo! Left. That was very short, but still fun. Could not see anything. There's some cool ass water coming in our way. Let's go. Waterfall! Man, this is so much fun, but the ATV keeps crashing.
The artist.
He broke the ATV. And we are running in gumboots in the middle of a jungle. There's a waterfall right in front of us. We are running towards the next spear ATV. Let's go! Our guide just told us that he's a good driver. I told you guys, he's a good driver. Our guide got carried away and started racing with us, and everyone got lost somewhere down the line. But this is crazy, man. We are at the halfway point in rice fields. Ubud is very beautiful. Yesterday we didn't do much. Went to a waterfall. It's called Tege Gamang Waterfall something. Maybe I have pronounced it wrong or spelled it wrong. But very beautiful place. 30,000 IDR entry ticket. And we reached late. It closes at 6:30. So if you want to go there, reach earlier. And definitely come here. Dadi Bali Adventures in Ubud has a crazy track for ATV riding. This was such a crazy experience. I think you should definitely try ATV riding in Bali from Dadi Bali Adventures. They have a like all-round solution. We had towels, we had showers because I got really dirty with all of the mud. Now I'll have the lunch and then we are heading to a waterfall. Yes, feels so fresh right now after a shower, and the weather is also pleasant. The food wasn't good at all. Everything was just sweet. Yeah, but that's how they eat it. So I don't want to disrespect their palates, but yeah, not for me. I would say not for me. Now to Taman Beji Griya Waterfall. Let's go. We have reached Taman Beji Griya Waterfall. They also have things like purification, palm reading, healing therapy, hypnotherapy, past life therapy, open aura, and chakra activation. Rice fields are everywhere. I can also see steppe farming. We could see it all over on our way here. And it's such a beautiful walkway to the waterfall. And I can already hear people shouting. I don't know if you can hear it. People are just shouting very loudly. And I can hear the water as well. This is a place of worship. And I think even yesterday was some Balinese festival. And even today, people are gathering around with incense sticks, flowers, basically what very close to what we do when we pray or celebrate festivals. But there's an entry fees of 300,000 that we do not want to pay because that's a lot of money. Okay, you kind of have to pay to enter this area, and we really wanted to. So we paid 1.2 million. That's 1,500 per person, so around 6,000 rupees. And if you want to record with the GoPro, you have to pay additional 100,000. So that's what I did because I want to record with the GoPro. Hello. Remember the people I thought were shouting? That's sort of a purification they do. And we took the ticket and we had to wear a sarong, which Laksh is wearing. I'm also wearing one. And now I can see the waterfall. But this is not about the waterfall anymore. Done with our offerings. They offer to Lord Ganesha, Shiva, Surya, also 5 goddesses, including Saraswati, Ma Ganga, and there were some goddesses that I did not recognize, but there were a goddess of sea, there was a goddess of ladies. So pretty wonderful. We are done with our offerings and prayers to some of the gods we know and goddesses, and some of the gods and goddesses we don't know. Again, did not expect this to happen because Laksh Bhaiya told me it's a waterfall, right? I didn't know that it would be so spiritual. I'm thankful for that. Lovely experience. We still have some things to do.
Namaste.
Now, I think we're going to another temple. Just going to follow the guide. Yes, there is another temple.
And then here, you can put one offering here for the guardian of holy water, the fish big, Ulam Agum.
Lama.
One.
This was such a beautiful experience, and my GoPro obviously ran out of memory and battery, so I'm recording on my phone. Feel closer to God, feel closer to our gods. It was so good to see and pray to them in a different country and on a different island altogether of that country. So yeah, do not have I'm just very peaceful right now. Do not have a lot of energy. It's not like I'm tired. I just want to be quiet. Yeah. So yeah, just going to be quiet for a while and then I'll see. By the way, I'm staying in Ubud at Vishnu Villa. I haven't mentioned it yet, but it's such a beautiful Airbnb. Vishnu Villa is right over there. We got scooty rentals from here and we can do our laundry here. So it's very accessible and I have something special to show you. So let's go. Bali is famous for its rice terraces, which is basically step farming because it's a mountainous landscape. And we are at Sea King Rice Terrace right now. It's called CEKING Rice Terrace. Alright, this is the Sea King Rice Terrace. Check this out. They have the famous Bali swings. Abbas is going to go for it. And they also have a zip line somewhere over here. Can you see that? There's it. They also have a lot of cool spots to take photos. But I'm just gonna walk down and then gonna come back up with Lakshmaya. That's what I'm gonna do. Now I have to do the friend duty and take photos because why did he spend 200,000 IDR if I don't take photos? Yash is done with the swing. I think he had a lot of fun. So one of the Instagram spots is right here. Another Instagram photo place for couples right over there. It's time to race down because we're not going to save any time like this. Vago, 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 vago. Oh, that's a beautiful little creek. Yeah, that's a beautiful little creek. The water is coming from inside. And we have reached in just 5 minutes because we were running up, as my lack of breath shows. But it's a much more beautiful view from here. Check this out. We're climbing down now and it's time to get some luwak coffee. We do not even like coffee so much, but it's just the very weird nature of drinking coffee that's made from coffee beans that comes out from some animal's asshole. Yeah, something weird and very interesting and very funny about it. So luwak coffee is the next stop and then we shall call it a day because it's been a long one. From Sea King Rice Terrace, when you're exiting, just take a left and I think in just 100 meters you'll find this big luwak. It's called Alas Harum and we're gonna have luwak shit coffee here. It's a beautiful looking place let's try a shit coffee. Alright, the Lua coffee is not happening today. Sucks, but it's not happening. That's what happens, right, when you're not traveling solo, because you can't take all of the decisions alone. But we collectively took a very good decision to come to an Indian restaurant. It's called Indian Delights and it's in Ubud. You'll find it easily. So going to have a big Indian dinner because we've been craving that food very much. We have been craving naan, we have been craving kadhai chicken, dosa, momos, roll. And what else have we ordered? We have ordered mango lassi. So much stuff. And it's going to be a very heavy meal. Thank you for watching this video. It means a lot every time any of you watches any of my videos. So that's it. Now tomorrow is going to be another day in Bali and it's going to be another exciting day in Bali.